Hi guys, I'm Corbin.
And I'm Samaya.
And we are Talk of the Hour. Hi guys, today we're here at New Manchester High School at 6
a.m.
6:45, 50 a.m. Yes, waiting for the bus to go to the GSPA awards banquet.
Yeah.
Don't mind the lighting because it's currently probably barely 7 o'clock in the morning right now, so it's like super dark. This is Kirsten. Yep. Yeah, we just got on the bus and we're about to make our way to the place. Bro, it's like a 2-hour drive, so we're gonna be here for a while. And when I catch Kirsten sleeping, we're getting it in the video. So hi guys, so me and Kirsten, it's really loud. So me and Kirsten just got done with this journalism workshop. It was really, really interesting. Really enjoyed it. It was with Tori Cooper and Lori Geary, and I'm hoping we can get a video with them just saying hi because they were really sweet and we really enjoyed their workshop. But yeah, so after this, we're going to get lunch. Yeah.
We also have various little games. We're just grateful that we get to share this experience with all of you. You all put so much effort into your stories.
Okay guys, so you guys can't see my plate, but I'm trying out this curry right now. It looks really good and it smells like the aroma is very it smells like. So I'm about to try this curry for the first time. Okay, so here it is. Good? Yeah.
Make sure to like
And subscribe. Peace out.